everyone, it's Brett from Microdrones, and we're back on campus at Mohawk Valley Community College here in beautiful upstate Utica, New York, where their remotely piloted aircraft systems program is having a drone festival featuring none other than our Microdrones integrated systems. Let's take a look at some of the programs that the students are using this new innovative technology for. Well, hey, we're at MVCC, as I mentioned, and with us is the man, the myth, the legend, Professor Bill Judicki, star of Down to Earth. Bill, how's it going?
It's going wonderful. We're having a drone festival today, Brett, and we're here to show the public what we do here at Mohawk Valley Community College, especially when we have great equipment to do it with.
Bill mentioned they might have a new project that they're working on with the Microdrone system and the community. So Bill, can you tell us a little bit about that?
So our president, Randy Van Wagoner, has been investigating something called social enterprising. We have all this fantastic equipment. Randy's really excited about our program, the multi-pilot aircraft systems, and using the Microdrones to help people like surveyors that are out in the field. And if they're providing a package to the customer, you know, the thought is to kind of piggyback with them and provide them an extra special project or an extra special product for the customer, because we would give them a nice high resolution map or a LiDAR run and provide the customer with even a much better product than they can imagine.
That sounds great. Maybe we'll have another opportunity to come out with MVCC and create another Down to Earth, this time watching the students interact with the community again. It was great being back on campus at MVCC and seeing how the students and faculty are using drone technology to further their education. If you or anyone at your university, college, or institution is interested in putting Microdrones to work for you, contact one of our salespeople today and we'll get in touch and show you how you can make it work with Microdrones. Thanks very much.